You're paying Apple every single month just to store your own photos. $10, $20, some of you $30 a month. And it never stops. Today I'm going to show you how to break free. One device, one payment, unlimited storage, forever. This is the Ugreen NAS Sync. And by the end of this video, you're going to wonder why you waited this long. Why Apple's iCloud is a trap. Here's the thing about iCloud. It's designed to be impossible to leave. Apple gives you 5 gigabytes free. Your iPhone fills that in weeks, so you upgrade, and then you upgrade again. Before you know it, you're on the 2 terabyte plan, $120 a year, and all your photos, all your backups, all your files are locked inside Apple's system. Stop paying, everything disappears. You own nothing. That's not cloud storage. That's a subscription trap. So let's talk about the way out. This is the Ugreen NAS Sync DH4300 Plus, a 4-bay NAS, meaning it holds 4 hard drives, and it sits right in your home. Setup is simpler than you'd expect. You slot the drives in, no tools needed, plug it into your router, download the Ugreen app on your iPhone. The app walks you through everything. Start to finish, I was up and running in under 30 minutes. Once it's live, your phone starts backing up automatically over Wi-Fi. Photos, videos, contacts, documents, everything. Just like iCloud. Except the storage lives in your house, not Apple's data center, and there is no monthly bill. Performance. Now let's talk speed, because a NAS is useless if it's slow. The DH4300 Plus runs on a quad-core processor with up to 16 gigabytes of RAM. File transfers over your local network are fast. I'm talking copying a 4 gigabyte video in seconds. Remote access over the internet is smooth too. I pulled a full 4K file from halfway across the city without any buffering. For video editors, this thing is genuinely capable. You can edit directly off the NAS over a wired connection. No more juggling external drives. If you want more power, Ugreen makes the DXP4800 Plus. Same 4-bay design, but this one runs on a 12th gen Intel processor with Thunderbolt connectivity. That means even faster transfers, and it can handle more users, more apps, more everything running at the same time. Think of the DH4300 Plus as the smart everyday choice. Think of the DXP4800 Plus as the one for power users and content creators. The downsides. I'm going to be honest with you, because that's why you're here. A NAS is not plug-and-play in the same way iCloud is. There's a small learning curve. You need to think about hard drive costs on top of the device. And if your house has a power cut, your NAS goes down. The fix for that last one, a cheap UPS backup battery, about $30. Problem solved. Is it more setup than iCloud? Yes. Is it worth it? Absolutely. For anyone who wants the fastest possible setup, Ugreen also makes the DXP48T Plus. This one runs entirely on SSDs, no spinning hard drives at all. That means near instant file access, near silent operation, and incredible read and write speeds. It costs more, but if you're doing heavy video work or you just want the best, this is it. Cost comparison versus iCloud. Let's do the numbers one more time, clean and simple. iCloud 2 terabytes costs $120 a year. Over 5 years, that's $600. Over 10 years, $1,200, and you still own nothing. The Ugreen DH4300 Plus is around $280. Add 4 hard drives, call it another $200. You're all in at roughly $480, one time. By year 4, you've broken even. Every year after that, you're saving $120. Over 10 years, that's more than $700 back in your pocket, with more storage, more privacy, and more control than iCloud ever gave you.
iCloud is convenient, I get it, but you're paying a premium every single month for the privilege of storing your own memories on someone else's computer. The Ugreen NAS Sync changes that. It's your data, your hardware, your cloud. The DH4300 Plus is where I'd start. Great performance, easy setup, room to grow. If you need more power, step up to the DXP4800 Plus. If you want all SSD speed, the DXP48T Plus is waiting for you. I've linked all three in the description along with the exact drives I use. Stop renting, start owning. Own your own cloud. The link is below. I'll see you in the next one.